This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a sunroof, a power rear lift tailgate, a premium audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an air suspension, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Keenan Motors Mercedes-Benz is Bucks County's only authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer. We are a family-owned business, proudly celebrating more than 50 years of service to our community. Visit our landmark facility today for our expert assistance with sales, leasing, maintenance, and collision services. Keenan Motors is located at 4311 West Swamp Road, also known as Route 313 in Doylestown. Visit us online at www.KeenanMercedes.com.